This one here is an actual. Hi Fs, today I'm excited to bring you to this subdivision that I found in Iloilo City. This one is interesting because this is within Jaro, Iloilo, which means this is right in the city. And right here is the actual way going to that subdivision. To give you an idea, if you came from Jaro Plaza, this is just 11 minutes from that area. And this is in Costa, Smeralda at Jaro Grand Estates in Balabago, Iloilo. Right away when you walk in the subdivision, I can feel how peaceful it is here. Peaceful and spacious. Hi Ebs, we're here in Costa, Smeralda. So let me give you a glimpse of what's inside the subdivision and the price range as well. So within this community, we have on the first entrance is the Costa Smeralda. But right now, the for sale and pre-selling is Welford Homes. And we will be going there in a while. So this one is the Jessica model and the Nicole model house. So for the Costa Smeralda houses, it is already sold out. Currently, ma'am, ang Biloga subdivision occupied na gid.
Hindi pa, ma'am. Dili lang sa Costa, ma'am, mga 90% lang. Sa Tabok, kasi siya 200% lang. Tapos dili na lang, ma'am, sa Wellford. Percentage, ma'am, gamay na lang sa mga tatlo na lang ka unit ka two-story. Kag ang RFO, tanga duplex, medyo dam siya, mga 4. Tapos sa parcel vita, ma'am, ang dami pa.
So, damo pa inventory.
Dami pa ang inventory ng parcel vita. Kaya ako natin
Tapos ano ka mo diri, ma'am, how? Kung di ba nagbakal sila be, may ara ka mo nga daw pre-selling, kumbaga? Kay may mga ano pa to ho? Ginaobra?
Yes, ma'am, may pre-selling yun, ma'am. Sa parcel B, may araman. Ang mga tanong na pre-selling, yun na pangkayo na lang for RF.
Lapad gid gani no. Ano na diri, ma'am, nga amo ni?
Landev na para sa parcel B.
So this is the starting point of Welford Homes, and there's an ongoing construction for the land development of the area. This is also the phase where the amenities like the swimming pool, the clubhouse will be built. So these are the model units of Welford Homes. Jessica House Model and Nicole. Look how tranquil this area is. So let's start with this Nicole Model House. Right away, look at this facade.
Sige man, kaya ko video ka nga wala tao.
So they have here a CR or comfort room. This is the comfort room downstairs. Please take note, this is a model unit that's dressed up. Oh, and they have here, let's say a maid's quarter or a storage room. And so far, everything here is made of hollow blocks and buhos. The type of construction is hollow blocks and buhos. As for here, oh, it's solid, so it's also concrete. But this is 5.7 million, the total contract price, along with the VAT. Oh, there's a balcony. There's a balcony in the master's bedroom. And everything here, the construction that you can see up to there, are all part of these 2-story or duplex houses. So the master's bedroom has its own balcony. So this is the next room. Yes, we have here another room that you can use. And we have another comfort room, toilet and bath here. And another room. So this is a 3-bedroom house. So let me give you another quick run through of the second floor of this model unit. Nicole. Now I'm checking the back door. Oh, so far there's a provision for an outdoor kitchen, or let's say a dirty kitchen. Let me now take you to Jessica model unit. Okay lang. Pero the whole subdivision, ma'am, may linya naman, di ba? Ano tadi ka mo de? Amor pa. So this is another model unit. And there's a provision again for a storage room. Here's the bathroom. And another provision for a dirty kitchen. So let me give you another quick run through of the whole ground floor of Jessica model unit. So for this model unit, the total selling price is just around 4.4 million. In total, it will be around 5 million because of the VAT and transfer fees. Now let's go to the second floor. Now for this model unit, we have here the first bedroom. And then the bathroom. This is shower, toilet, and bath. And the master's bedroom. So right away you will know the difference from the other unit. This one is only 2-bedroom, no balcony, and just one provision of a storage room downstairs. Now, they have these interesting bungalow houses. And there is one there, and actually there are 2 pre-selling units for that model unit too. On this side, this is already occupied, and they have here an open basketball court and playground. Look at this. This is in Jaro, Iloilo City. And who would have thought that this is within Iloilo City? This one here is an actual ready for occupancy unit. This is a bungalow type. So this one is 3 million. So this is 1 bedroom here. So this is the type of window, the actual type of window. And all concrete with the socket there. Another one there. And provision for lights. And this is the actual door. So as for their doors here, it is made of wood. I'm knocking it several times because I am not so sure. But it turned out it is a wood, but it's just not so thick. As for the main door, it is a solid wood with a thick one. So as for the comfort room, the door is a PVC. And you have here a kitchen sink, tiled, and immovable, or you cannot move this sink. But if you don't want it to be here, you can ask it to be removed. This is the, wow, at least the shower and all are tiled, neatly tiled with window. So there's a provision for probably a laundry and the next bedroom. So there are 2 bedrooms for this bungalow type of house. And a provision for a kitchen outside here. Yes, there's it. So far, if you are a small family or a startup family, this one looks nice for a 3 million. At least they are already complete. And the community here is very peaceful. Is near the playground and a court. So this is not a model unit. This is an actual deliverable and it is already sold. This is the Stacy unit and they still have 2 pre-selling units for this one. Area 3.5K? Amo ni actual deliverable ya?
Yes.
Kataw, ay kanami, ma'am. So pwede siya ipa-remove ni? Even si Wellford, ang tong isang bungalow, pwede to? Okay. Mami. My God. Actually, I love this one. But this one is already sold. So there's a provision for a dirty kitchen, and as per that, you can ask to remove this one if you don't like this, because there's already a provision for here. But if you want to retain that, that could also be. Oh my God, I love this place. Let's go upstairs. Imagine guys, this is only 3.5 million. And they can build 2 of these that's in pre-selling. But with their pre-selling units, you just need to wait for 3 years. At least 3 years. Oh, the master's bedroom is wide. The only downfall of this one is there's no toilet and bath upstairs. Yeah, so that's the only difference of this one from Jessica and Nicole. Mind your reps. I love the deliverables because it's almost complete. See, you don't need to construct this. So far, this is sturdy, this is steel. And the toilet and bath are all functioning with complete tiles and shower and sink. So far, their deliverables here are, for me, favorable for the price, given their location is also good. These bungalow houses are for sale. So check out this community that you will be in if you are going to get either of those houses that we have toured today. So now we are heading out of the subdivision, and this is the actual way going to Jaro. And guess what? The Wellford development where we came from will have an access road going to the new SM Mega Mall to be built soonest by SM Development Corporation. So far, what do you think of this subdivision that we have gone through today? Feel free to comment. What are your thoughts about this? As for me, my personal honest review about this is that I highly recommend this subdivision. Why? Because I have seen the construction, the actual deliverable. For me, it's very favorable for the price that they offer for each units. Also, the community, it is very peaceful with spacious, breathable kind of community, and it has more greens. So where we are now is the actual road that you will take going to Jaro Plaza. Not to mention that this subdivision is within Iloilo City. Only that if you are going to commute from the subdivision, you will need to ride a trike going to the main road. And from the main road, you can go to, let's say, the malls directly. Thank you so much, chefs, for watching. See you on my next vlogs.